What's going on, guys? I have with me over here Matt Holmes. He's all the way down from Ontario, Canada. Tell me a little bit about your build and what you've done to it so far.
There's a lot done to it, so I have a big list on the other side of the bike, but got a TNT kits wrap with it, Bullite Wheels. My two biggest partners for this build was actually Bullite Wheels and TNT kits. But we got the mod shop engine in here, custom floorboards made, the list goes on.
So tell me about your crew. How big is the crew, the Deep and Dirty
So
Valley?
we're 56 people now. We started about 2.5 years ago with just 4 of us. And now we're in Ontario, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, and Quebec.
Really awesome.
So we're kind of spreading across the provinces now.
And general demographic, males, females?
It's everything. So males, females, and kids.
All right. So how young is the youngest kid in your crew?
I want to say 6.
6?
Yeah.
And what kind of riding conditions do you typically do up there?
I'm more mud and water. That's all I care about. Mud, water, and skag.
And how has the Bullite rim performed for you in those conditions?
Honestly, unreal. So these ones are brand new. I can't really tell you how beat they are because I haven't even used them yet. But I've been running Bullite wheels now for over 2 years on my last bike. And besides the powder coating on them, there's not a single thing wrong with them. Not a bend, twist, or nothing in them. And with the big tires that I run, I need the lighter rims. Otherwise, I just break everything in the front end.
All right. Well, Matt, it was a heck of a journey down here to Vegas, right? Yeah. Tell us about that.
It was 51 hours in a car, and it wasn't as bad, but it's a drive.
So you guys made a stop in Texas?
Yes.
Why was that?
A few of them. So we were having transmission issues on Carter's truck, and we almost lost one of the panels on the side of the trailer. And of course, when we stopped, it was cold and raining and freezing, and it was not fun at all.
There you go. You got it from Matt. Thanks for coming by, Matt. Hopefully we'll see you next year again, all right?
I'd love to come back.
Maybe this time we won't have him drive. We'll hopefully get a truck and have him truck it down so you guys just enjoy the rest of the trip and everything. All right, thank you.